Dr. Shreya Tiwari. As winter has arrived, so as respiratory tract infections too. It includes symptoms like cough, cold, and coryza. It is very commonly seen in children, and for around 3 to 6 times in a year, you can see the reoccurrence of such symptoms. It is caused by various viruses and bacteria. Homeopathy medicine, they provide 100% treatment, 100% cure and relief to your child. The administration of such medicines is also very easy. So there are few medicines which I am going to tell you today. You should always keep at your home for the treatment. First one is Bryonia. Bryonia alba is a medicine which is given in case of dry cough, which is very painful. Along with there is intense thirst. And you can see here all of their symptoms get aggravated by slightest of their movement. They are always in great need of putting pressure on their ribcage. And the next medicine you can prescribe is phosphorus. Phosphorus is a medicine which is also given in a case of a dry cough, and there is a sense of tickling and great scratchy feeling in a throat. Alongside, you can see they are in great need of cold drink or cold water. As soon as it reaches to their stomach, it becomes warm and they start feeling nauseating. All of their symptoms get aggravated when they are exposed to the cold air, and they are very restless and fearful at the same time. They are very tired and always needs a company. The next one is Pulsatilla. Pulsatilla is a medicine which is given in the case of moist and wet cough. Here the sputum, that is yellowish and very thick, and all of their symptoms get aggravated as soon as they reaches to their bed, that is in the night. The next one which you can provide is Rumex crispus. Rumex crispus is a medicine which is given in the case of dry cough, and when there is a tickling sensation in the throat which reaches to the sternum, and all of their symptoms get aggravated when they are outside somewhere in cold air or cold wind and they breathe the cold air, then all their symptoms get aggravated. The other medicine which you can prescribe is Aconite Nepilis. Aconite is a medicine which is given in acute sudden onset of the symptom. The cough here is very short, sharp, intense and acute one. It is again caused due to exposure of the cold air while laughing, talking, singing. In such cases, all the symptoms get aggravated, and there is great fear and restlessness also present in this case. In the early stages of croup and asthma also, Aconite Nepilis can be prescribed. The next medicine is Drosera. Drosera is a medicine which is given when the cough is dry in nature and all the symptoms get aggravated by exposure of the cold wind, and symptoms get aggravated by the mid of the night by the warmth of the bed. As soon as the child sleeps, all the symptoms get aggravated at that time, and there is a great hoarseness and tickling sensation in the throat. The other medicine which you can prescribe is Antim-Tart. Antim-Tart is a medicine given in case of wet cough, where the sputum is very wet, thick, and which is unable to expectorate. It is very difficult for a person to expectorate it out. So in such a case, Antim-Tart is a medicine which is given to a child. So there are few medicines which you can prescribe to your child in case of cough, coryza and cold, as it treats patient as a whole, not just a symptom but person as a whole for a longer time. It provides relief as well. So for further on information you can contact me, and thank you so much. Have a nice day.